This is a fan request. That's right, on YouTube. Someone commented after watching my review of a pair of TOZO earbuds that they had bought this actual pair of noise canceling headphones and they loved them. They said, you should do a review. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm standing here doing a review of these, which if you read the specs of these, they are remarkably similar to my Sony's, which cost basically 10 times as much of these, right? Talking about a 60-hour runtime on the batteries, active noise cancellation, comfort, deep bass, all the same things that I've spoken about with my Sony headphones, but for 1/10 the price. So there's only one thing left we gotta do. Let's unbox them, hook them up, see if they actually work the way they say. So while I pull this out, please make sure you hit that follow, subscribe, and do what this guy did. Drop a comment in the comments, say, hey, I'd like to hear you talk about this, take a look at this, I don't agree with this. I will take it up and I will work on it. Also, if this video is any good, one of these, thank you. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, so it comes with a nice instruction manual, comes with a package with wires. This is the set themselves. Actually, to tell you the truth, they fold the exact same way as the Sony's. Now, I'll tell you already, 2 seconds after picking them up, they don't have the same feel, the same fit and finish as the Sony's. But again, for 1/10 the price, if it does something similar, that looks awesome. I do like that on the inside. It tells you which ear to put them on. Let's see what we got. We got all the normal functions. You got a USB-C. You could use it wired. You got the mic. You got the on-off button. Volume, advance. All right, let's turn them on. Oh, come on. They don't have enough juice just to do this? Dead as a doornail. I'm going to charge them up, try them out, come back and let you know. All right, I gave them a quick charge. Oh, I'm yelling. The noise canceling definitely works before I even pair it with the audio. That is amazing. While I pair it, let me tell you, if you have not tried a set of noise canceling headphones, the best thing in the world is to go on an airplane with noise canceling headphones. You won't believe as you sit there just how loud it actually is on the plane and how much of a big difference noise cancellation makes in those situations. They're super comfortable, I can tell you that for sure. TOZO HT2. Let's connect and pairing. Connected. Am I still connected to you? Looks like I'm still connected. Am I yelling again? Now I can't play music for you guys, but I can listen. Hold on a sec. Oh, Van Halen, Judgment Day. That's perfect for this. Oh. Okay, I am stopping this right now. If you were at all interested in these, you need to get them right now. Ridiculous. Ridiculously cool. I cannot believe at the price of what these things cost, what they just did in 2 seconds. Noise canceling worked great. The audio quality is ridiculously cool. And it's got a 60-hour runtime. And a big difference, I know I told you they folded like the Sony's, but you see, some of the cheaper models, which we have also tried, don't do this. Let me just turn them off. They don't fold flat. See how this goes like this? Like, it's flat. So obviously it came in this little packaging and you could put it in your bag and they sit flat. I have other, more budget-friendly versions, which work also, but they're not flat, so they're very hard to travel with. This is much easier. I'm gonna say these are definitely a 5 out of 5. I wanna say 6 out of 5, but I can only say 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. These things are awesome. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.